I'm going to walk you through where all the short form video scripts are in your Listings to Leads account, because short form videos are one of the best ways to get a ton of views on social media. You can generate leads, you can engage leads. There are so many ways you can use short form video to grow your business. And with Listings to Leads, for the week of January 12th through the 18th, you got 13 different short form video scripts that I'm going to walk you through right now. Super easy to find and use. So there's two groups of videos. One, go to the marketing calendar. There's a few places to find them, but it's a little bit easier just to come here. And so for the week of the 13th, so the 12th is a Sunday, we got listings, sold listings, pending sold, the PDF guide, 25 factors that impact your home value, the 100-point home marketing plan, and the new construction. So 3 of them, you don't even need listings. The other 8, you don't need listings either. But for any one of these short form video scripts, just click, and then you'll see marketing tools right at the top. Go click on market. So for any Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then you'll land right here in the work area. And if you don't land on it, select short form video script right there. So here's your script. These are all designed to engage people. So they got great intros, give great value, got great outros for engagement for you. If you don't know how to use the Teleprompter app, click the blue button right there. It'll drop you on a video. Just click play, and it will literally walk you through how to get the script on your phone, how to record it, and how to get it out the door. So that is all super, super easy to do. And you'll see here, these green buttons, a link to apps. So either Apple or the Google Play Store right there if you need that one. So again, every single day on this calendar, 99% of them have that short form video script. So again, here, marketing tools, market, and you're going to land in the work area. And then I'm going to go ahead and click right here for the short form video script. And there we go. Now, the second set of scripts are going to be on the dashboard. And once on the dashboard here, go ahead and scroll down to the short form video script section. And you're going to see that right below the landing pages and the guides. So there we go. And I'm telling you, this week, I love all the ones that we got. So we got Monday, full moon. And so for all of these, just click the green script button. And again, I can click send that to myself. You've already seen the blue button right there. So walking you through how to do all of this, but it's there again, in case you need it. And what's great about all of these scripts, right? Even Stephen Foster Memorial Day. This is the guy that did Old Susanna, right? Awesome song. And My Old Kentucky Home. These are amazing songs. Anyways, he's considered the father of American music. So a lot of these also are going to help your audience learn new things that they may not have realized before, but that they would find super interesting. And then the second set of these scripts will include things like Hot Pastrami Sandwich Day, National Bagel Day, National Popcorn Day, National Peking Duck Day. So these are all scripts that allow you to leverage local places in your area. So imagine a local bagel shop, a local sandwich shop, a local, maybe a movie theater that's got great popcorn, or a place that sells popcorn. And again, Peking duck right here. So these are awesome scripts where you can record them at these locations, tag them, put your location as being there, and then help engage the audience of these places and bring them into your audience as well. So you can see how, whether you are using the scripts for the listings, the landing pages, or the PDF guides, or the different kind of cool things like the full moon, Benjamin Franklin Day there. But then these other scripts are going to allow you to, again, leverage the local audiences of establishments in your area to get more engagement from the people in your area. So if you have any questions on any of these scripts, let me know, and we'll talk to you soon.